Memorandum of Agreement. Know all men by these present. This agreement, made and entered into this 21st day of March 2007 at Quezon City, Philippines, by and between the National Disaster Coordinating Council, created pursuant to Presidential Decree Number 1566, dated June 11, 1978, with principal office address at Camp Aguinaldo, Quezon City, represented by its Chairman and Secretary of National Defense, Honorable Hermajeles E. Abdani Jr., hereinafter referred to as NDCC, and the Department of Foreign Affairs and International Trade, DFAT Canada, with principal office address at Level 7, Tower 2, RTBC Plaza, 6819 Ayala Avenue, Makati City, represented by the Ambassador of Canada to the Philippines, Honorable Peter Sutherland, hereinafter referred to as DFAIT. Whereas DFAIT and NDCC desire to collaborate in the global fight against terrorism, whereas in furtherance of said purpose, DFAIT intends to provide the NDCC with chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear response equipment, and the latter hereby express its gratitude for the kindness and liberality of the DFAIT. Now therefore, for and in consideration of the foregoing and of the conditions hereinafter set forth, the parties hereby agree as follows. Contribution. The subject of this agreement